guys, welcome back to my channel. This is day 3 of me vlogging, actually trying to vlog. I just wanted to come here very quickly and just say that I am going to head out today. So it's not going to be a boring day or a boring vlog. And I'm going out for food actually. I'm very hungry. It's lunchtime. It's around 2:30 and I'm probably heading out and I shall see you guys when I'm in the car. Let's go. So pretty. This I like Dwarka. It is very green. See, so many trees. It looks so nice and clean. And we are going to that cafe, right? No, we are going to this cafe. Let's go. Also, it is opposite Dwarka Sector 11 metro station. So, I mean, it's going to be easy for you guys to see. So, Sector 11 and then this is the cafe that we've come to today. So I've come to this cafe to try their amazing food because I saw great reviews on District. So I'm actually here. Let's see.
मुझे भूख लग रही है यार, जल्दी भूख लग रही है.
Wanted to show you guys that this is amazing. Taste test, please.
Good.
It's nice, no? That's what I said.
Noodles are very good.
So we have had the food. It is so nice. I'll let you guys know what all we ordered. You can check in the description below. I'm going to add the dishes that I had here. They were amazing. Very good food. Like, did you like the food?
Very good.
I know.
Definitely you should go there.
It's a great place. We're coming here for the second time.
And I love their cafe brew. So that is cranberry coffee.
This is where we are planning to have dessert today. Now, let's go. Hi.
मैं जब भी
Hi.
देखूंगा ना, हाय.
Having the most basic thing, which is Belgian chocolate, because I don't try anything. Even though I wanted to have carrot cake first. Lucky. Unfortunately, I couldn't find it. But this is nice. It's nice.
A few moments later.
So right now I've just had my dinner and Shobhit and I are actually heading out for some coffee. I know it's very late. It's 11 something. But we're heading out for coffee, maybe some ice cream. I don't know, let's just see. Either ice cream or coffee. It's just randomly we thought कि ऐसा impromptu सा कि चलो चलते हैं, let's just have something nice after dinner. So we are going to Connaught Place and I shall see you guys there. हमारा फिर से कट गया. हम लोग सीपी गए और एक्चुअली हम गए नहीं, मतलब हम जा रहे थे. फिर हमने देखा सारे कॉफी शॉप जो है वो तो बंद हो गए बिकॉज इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक मिडनाइट अपेरेंटली. तो अब हम किसी और या लाइक व्हाट 11:30. तो अब हम कॉफी शॉप के बाहर बैठे हैं और टेक अवे करा रहे हैं बिकॉज ये हमारा लास्ट ऑप्शन है और हम फिर हम घर जाएंगे. जिसके अलावा हमारा कोई प्लान नहीं है. मे बी वील वॉच अ मूवी. लेट्स सी. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट आवर प्लान फॉर टुडे?
Beep 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 beep.
We've got a coffee.
Hi.
He's got CBC, which is coffee, cola, and black
Cola.
Diet Coke. I don't know. No.
Cold brew cola.
Yeah. And mine is classic cold coffee because I'm very boring.
Yeah, as always.
So my classic cold coffee.
मैं रह रहा हूँ बोरिंग के साथ. तुमने बोला है बोरिंग.
Boring is good. वैसे भी दाल चावल for 50 years till you die. And you like dal chawal. That is what you told me. I'm finally vlogging today. I'm meeting you guys after 2, 3, 4, 5 days, a week.
One eternity later.
I've come outside for coffee and some work. Pretend to work. And like I said in my first vlog, which I think you guys should see, that we're trying to work on something together, which is why we are here. To brainstorm because घर में बैठ के ना बहुत बोर हो जाता है. So that is that. It's very hot. It was raining subha बट अब तो बहुत गंदी गर्मी हो गई है. आई हेट इट. व्लॉगिंग आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ डेज क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी थी फॉर XYZ रीजंस दैट यू विल नो लेटर. सो थोड़ा सा यूट्यूब में ना कंटेंट बनाना मुश्किल हो जाता है बिकॉज यू नीड लॉन्ग फॉर्म वीडियोज़. बट मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत रेगुलरली पोस्ट करती हूँ. सो इफ़ यू गाइज आर नॉट फॉलोइंग मी देयर प्लीज़ डू दैट. कनेक्ट विद मी देयर. तो वहाँ पे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पोस्ट करती हूँ. बट टुडे एज यू कैन सी आई एम ऑलरेडी हेडिंग आउट टू शाहपुर जाट. एंड ऐसे फालतू में जा रहे हैं, कुछ खरीदने का नहीं है. बट वी जस्ट सी. अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे और थोड़ी हवा भी चल रही है.
शोभित and
Lols. Here at Shahpur Jat, as you can see, I have a lot of clothing things, but हम कुछ खरीदने नहीं आए हैं, ऐसे ही peruse करने आए हैं. So yeah, we're here. Come to a cafe, which looks very nice. I have Shobit with me finally.
फिर से hi.
So like I was saying that we've come to this cafe, which is actually like a cafe that we went to in Goa. Apparently दिल्ली में कुछ अच्छे कैफेज मिलते नहीं है जो कि ऐसे होमली सी वाइब दे. Actually very nice, it's a nature centric. But then we found this place and it's actually very nice. And we're going to have food. Let's see अब वो खाना कैसा है.
टोमेटो ब्रूशेट आई है.
But I like it. I will give it a 7 on 10.
6 उसके हिसाब से.
So done with ice latte.